We are setting sail. These crystal clear waters of Jocassee.
Oh, we hadn't done this a little bit.
Yeah, it's like riding a bike, man. If only we could have busted some shrooms before we headed out. It could have been a spiritual experience.
Like, my body's already used to it.
Oh, yeah. Gotta get our sea longs back in motion.
Yeah. Oh, that's cliff right here. That's crazy.
Here we go.
That kind of fun. Derby 8.
And it's tearing it up down there. Hey, Colton. I found the key to having a good time on a dive.
What?
A rock. Now y'all can venture the route we took.
Yeah, we're coming with you.
All right, round 2. But yeah, record me from up here.
Gnarly. Slayer. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm going to throw it to you.
Hold up, I'll climb up right here.
Okay, yeah, it's like almost impossible.
You know you're talking to Spider-Man, right?
Rips out, he falls. I would laugh my ass off. Yep, there he goes. Oh. He hit a rebound. There he is. Good job, big man.
That was rough.
How you feel?
Pretty great. I'm coming in behind you. Move over.
Ethan's gonna try to leap. Painful. Oh, he got it. And fuck me.
Woohoo! We made it. Oh, he's gonna try it. Gonna jump again, because that's the fun stuff. Wow. Very bad storm. Your boy made it. He fell behind. He broke the record as world's slowest kayaker. I'm gonna go down here and help him. I would. Bring a surfboard out here, man. Some pretty intense stuff sailing through it, paddling through it. You ready to take shelter in the cave?